Hey guys, this is Donnie, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. And when we come back, I got the Cheerwing. This is the CW10 Firefly, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, guys. Hey, today I got the Cheerwing. This is courtesy of Cheerwing. This is the CW10. It's the Firefly. So I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up and see what we got. This is the Wi-Fi version. So you got the Wi-Fi FPV. So we're going to see how that works. You know me, I'm not a big fan of the Wi-Fi, but you know, I'm willing to give it a shot. See what it's all about. So let me open this up here. Alright, we've got the instruction manual, Firefly CW10. It's got everything you need to know. It's well detailed. It's in black and white. The app you want to use for Wi-Fi is Flying C. So the word flying and then C, it's SEE. So that is the app you can find on, you can either use Google Play Store or your iOS store, so you can get that there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull the quadcopter out, which seems pretty nice. Kind of a, here's a little bummer here. There's no battery. It's all built inside, guys. So there's no, I believe there's no way of changing out the battery. I don't think this comes off. That's just a light back there, I think, to show that it's on and off. I don't want to rip into that cover. The cover don't pop off on the top either. So yeah, it looks like a built-in battery, guys. So, you know, that's kind of a bummer. The battery goes down on this. I think you'd have to take it all apart and dig in there for the battery. So that's kind of a downfall on that. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. You know, I'm not going to call this thing a downer or a bummer yet. I mean, you know, I like these little quads. Are good for indoors anyway. So you know, you're not doing no competition flying with this thing. It does have 4 extra props, and it's got the USB little micro charger there. So it has one of those little tiny small Whoop chargers that you see on the little Whoop batteries, and it just plugs straight into the back of that, if you guys could see that. So it plugs in right there, and it does have an on and off switch right here that you just slide to from left to right. Let me get this controller out of here. Alright, has a little band around it explaining what the buttons are for. Does this thing have altitude? Yeah, it sure does. It has altitude hold. So it is an altitude hold quadcopter, guys. So, you know, it's not too bad. I'll have to check it out and see if I can get this wrap off of here. Let me see here. That's some strong stuff. Whew, there goes the battery cover. Okay, so we got 3 AAAs. So I'll take 3 AAAs back there. That's what you'll need. I'm going to go ahead and find some AAAs. I'm going to connect that in there, and we'll get set up on the app, which I have my spare phone right here, and I have the app right here. See if I can bring it up real quick. So it is Sing Fly, or Flying C. Excuse me. I don't know why I'm saying that wrong. Flying C. So I'm on Android system. I'm turning it on. It's booting up right here. Let's see what it shows. So far, it shows a little drone up there on top. So I'll have to check it out and get into it more and see. So it's on home mode. It gives you a tutorial on this. So I'm going to go through this some more, guys, and then we're going to take it out. I can't really get around too much right now because I just had that operation. So, you know, it's where the weather is anyways. The weather's kind of cruddy here. So I'm probably going to just fly this indoors, and we'll check out the film. If I can get downstairs a little bit, I may go down the bottom of my stairs and just kind of fly it a little bit downstairs. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks. Alright, what's up, guys? I'm out here with the Cheerwing CW10. I turn it on. Gonna bind this thing. Oops. I don't know why I just shut it off. There we go. It's bound. I'm gonna put it in third rate. I want to show you this real quick on this app,
when you go to Flying C, when you go on here, it's kind of confusing at first, but you want to hit the remote control interface, okay? And you want to make sure that you're in Wi-Fi settings. You go in your Wi-Fi settings, go ahead and make sure that you are on this Wi-Fi right here, the UDIRC Wi-Fi. I'm connected, so I'm going to go back to Flying C, okay, and I'm going to look for the remote control interface. Okay, so we are connected, okay, so you can see that we're connected. So I'm going to go ahead and press record. I'm not going to fly, I'm going to put this in my pocket, I'm not going to fly using the cell phone. So alright, 1 key takeoff is right here. There we go. Like I said, I'm in third rate right now because it's windy and I'm outside. So it's got altitude hold, which holds really nice. You can see holds pretty nice, not bad at all. Guys, alright, Cheerwing, I sure appreciate it, you guys, for sending this to me. Really cool little quad. Nice altitude hold is awesome. Works amazing on this one. The camera, of course, is angled way too much down. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pointing almost directly down. So, anyways, that's probably about the only downfall. I haven't tried out the cell phone yet, so that's something I could test out later on. But for now, not too bad. Cheerwing, thanks again. You guys, like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.